Welcome! Now that you've purchased the Website Builder plan, you can start to create your perfect website. In this video, I will show you how to navigate to your website builder at monsterhost.com. First off, you have to log into your account. Enter your email address and password to sign in. This brings you to the client area. Here there are 4 options within the boxes. Select the first box, called Services. You'll be directed to the Product and Services page. From here you can view all purchased hosting plans. Select the Sitebuilder plan that's activated. Here it's the Beginner Sitebuilder plan. Now you find the product dashboard. From here you can log into cPanel, Webmail, change your password, and get new hosting packages to upgrade your current packages. Under Beginner Sitebuilder, you'll find the link that guides you to your website. Or go to Visit Website and you'll also come to your website. To go onto the Website Builder, scroll down and select the icon Open Website Builder. Now that you've opened it, you can start editing right away. You can browse up to 200 themes. For example, to add texts, drag and drop the text button. You can use text in many different ways, such as for paragraphs, titles, subtitles, and so on. If you already have a website, use our website import function to transfer your website to our site builder. You can find it under the New Reset button and click Import. Or go to Change Template and select the last function called Website Import. Enter your domain name and click on Import. Remember also that all the site builder plans come with free hosting, so you just have one bill to think about. Now you can start modifying your dream website. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.